Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this cube with Mario and Luigi in it. I just happen to have those transparent pictures of them laying around, so I figured I'd use them. Start out in the edit page, right click in the media pool, new fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And for now, we'll leave it on 5 seconds. We will change that later though. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. So it will be up there in the way, on and off. Click away, right about here. Shift space and S rectangle. And shift space and extrude. And a 3D merge, camera, and render. Plug it in the media out. Make sure it's in viewer 2. Put the merge in viewer 1. Select the camera. Go to transform. Use target. Rotate the Z, and you'll start seeing it in viewer 2. Set it to your liking for the size. We want to make this flat surface into a cube. With the rectangle selected, look at the inspector at the width and the height. They're at 0.5. Go to the extrude node. Set the excursion depth to 0.5. And you should now have a cube. Take the subdivisions all the way up and the smoothing angle all the way up. Right click on the bevel depth. Expression. Grab the pick whip. Bring it over the bevel width and let go. We'll come back to that in a minute. Select the rectangle again. Shift space and S Boolean. Now click away down here. Make sure nothing's selected. Shift space and S ellipse. Plug it into the Boolean. Take the border width all the way up to 0.2. Uncheck the solid. We'll make an expression. Connect these two together. Right click on the width. Expression. Again, carry the pick whip over and drop it on the height. Use the height to adjust it. I set mine to 0.95. You can set yours to your liking. Go to the extrude. Go to materials. Check override, diffuse color, and pick a color. Now select the 3D merge 1. Shift space and directional light. And select it. Go to transform. Select use target. And rotate it back with the Z. You'll see it in viewer 1. I'm going to cut the line for the directional light for a moment. And I'm going to select the render. Change the render type from software to hardware. and enable lighting and shadows. And if you look in viewer 2, we no longer have any light. Plug the light back in and you'll see we have light. I normally put the light in after, just so the beginners can see how that works. Select the extrude under materials. Go to specular. Take the exponent all the way up. And then intensity all the way down, or to your liking. I need to go back to the ellipse. It's a little big. I got mine to 0.65. Get an image plane and select the extrude. Get a merge 3D. Type the image plane into the merge. And we'll get Mario. Select the image plane. Go to transform. Under scale. Adjust your size. Go to materials. Specular. As you can see, it's way too bright. Exponent all the way up again. I'm going to set the intensity around 0.4. Set yours to your liking. Select the merge 3D 2. Shift space and transform 3D. Now we can rotate it with the Y under rotation. But you'll see the pivot point is at the back. Select pivot. Change the Z to 0.25. Now when you rotate it, it should rotate correctly. Right click on the Y. Modify width. Anim curves. Go to the modifier up here. For now, we'll change the scale from 180 to 360, but we'll change that later. I just don't want to miss this step for the beginners. Mario is at the back of the cube, so select the image plane. Go to transform. Out of the Z, go 0.25. Rotate it to the back. Go to controls. Visibility. And check the back. Now you should not see it. Only in the front. Right click on the image plane. Copy. Click away right about here. Right click and paste. Plug it into the merge. Now we'll get Luigi. Select the image plane. Uncheck the back. And check the front. And go to lighting. And uncheck the very top one. And you should be able to see him. I'm going to readjust them a little bit. Adjust them both accordingly. Go back to the extrude. Go to controls. We'll put a little bevel on this. It'll bevel every edge. I'm going to put mine at 0.0063. Set yours to your liking. Now we'll stretch this out to 20 seconds. And go back to Fusion. Select the transform. Go to modifier. And behind 360, multiply it, which is the asterisk, the star, by 3. Now I'm at 1080. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.